Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we turn on find my device in our realme phone. Friends, you want to on guys find my device in your realme phones. Friends, you can on, and guys now let's see how to on find my device in our realme phone. In this video I will show you friends. So friends, first of all guys, what will you have to do to guys on find my device? Friends, open your phone setting guys, and guys scroll it. Guys click on guys password and security setting friends. So you can see that there is no any option to check. So guys, and guys, how can you on guys find my device? So you can see guys there are two setting. Guys, first setting is manage password, and guys second system security guys tap here. Then guys you can see this settings. So you can see guys find my device guys tap here, and guys you want to on, so you can turn on from here. And guys you can see find my device, and guys you can see ways to use find my device. So as you can use from here guys find my device, and guys you have lost your phone, and guys you have lost your device, then it helps you also to find your mobile. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn on find my device in our realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.